So, do you know what to eat when you're in pain? Hi there, my name is Dr. Jason Yuan, Doctor of Naturopathic Medicine and Functional Medicine Practitioner, here to tell you today what is my #1 food for solving pain. So, when you're in pain, the root cause is usually inflammation, and inflammation is a big problem nowadays. Depending on what you eat, it can either add to the inflammation or help lower it. So my #1 food for lowering inflammation is called turmeric. Now turmeric is an East Asian spice used commonly in different kinds of cooking. Within turmeric is a compound called curcumin. And curcumin is actually one of the most potent anti-inflammatory compounds that you can get from your diet. So what I recommend to patients is adding a couple tablespoons of curcumin into your soups or a couple teaspoons into your meals, and you're gonna get that whole host of benefits. Curcumin works by down-regulating certain inflammatory signals and pathways in your body, which means it's gonna lower inflammation overall in your body, which means it's gonna lower overall pain in your body. So it's gonna be great for swelling, any tenderness, tightness, any aching pains, any redness. So curcumin is really one of those nature's great compounds for supporting pain relief. And as a bonus tip, add a couple sprinkles of black pepper with your turmeric, because that will help increase its bioavailability and help your body absorb it more. All right, so again, this is Dr. Jason Yuan here with our series Food is Medicine, Food is Life, telling you to eat more turmeric for your pain. Continue to follow me for more tips and videos.